record. Forgot to record here. So that's one kind of like this is a divergence entering inside here, and you're able to take that. So once price has already moved up into this level, you can take profit here. And then when you this is another form of divergence right here. So you can see this is a resistance area because price stopped in this area, couldn't go up. This other weak exhaustion happened, then you have divergence. What does it mean? This is higher highs, weak exhaustion, and then right here you have lower highs. So after this, you can just take another trade, scalp it down here. That's about 50 pips or so. In fact, that's like 100 pips. So, but you're already aware that this is a pullback because now we have a higher low here, and then you now have a point A to B where you can now draw your fibs for it to actually take profit. So this was on Monday, and we had a lot of consolidation before it actually got to the first take profit level and decided to continue up. So really my bias on Monday was that price was going to stop around here. So my first take profit level was where my head was at. So I did not take. My goal was to take a sell. And I took a sell. I got 40 pips like here. Yes, I think it was this exact place that I took a sell, and I got about 40 to 60 pips. I've forgotten what that trade was. Yeah. So, but I know I was okay. I saw 70 pips, but I closed it at 40 because I was hoping like it was going to go down or still going to go down. But when I saw that we had this breakup structure, this point A to point B, this acted as point A to point B, and then we got to this level here, and this is a bullish engulfing, and the price is consolidating and all that. So it wasn't so certain of a sell anymore. So it's just step by step, really. Maybe one of the things that you need to work on is not looking at home runs, not waiting for home runs. 40 pips here, 50 pips there, 30 pips here, 60 pips there. They all make it. They all make up compounding, you know. Trading is a lot of work. Uh, I know some people's strategy is just one trade a week. Some people's strategy is one trade a month, But if you can work it, the market is there. You can do one trade a day. If you see it, you don't have to trade every day, right? But maybe every day you want to come to the market to see the opportunities available for you. It's now your discipline that will have to see that you are not trying to force a trade. You just want to see where price is at. If it's at a level of structure for you, you're going to take that trade. If not, you stay out of it. So, what's another divergence case? So the thing with divergence, you don't want to use it alone because this was divergence right here. Although we had that sell, but it wasn't for long. It's just an added, like it's just a very added confluence for you to add. This is another one. Okay, this wasn't divergence here. So both lower highs. But I'm sure if you go on 3 minutes, we'll be able to see this as divergence. Let me go there. That's on Thursday. So if I see that candlestick duration of 15 minutes, we go on 3 minutes, we'll be able to see, the confirmation of divergence in that area. Let's see what price move. I think that's it. Yeah. phone moved up. My computer is acting a little slow. Whether it's this one or the other one, I think right here. Okay, yeah, right here. You have this right here. This is divergence and it even has the exhaustion. So it would have given confirmation to take this trade to the next level. So all of these little moves are actually mighty moves because this is 120 pips right here. So it's not about how long or being in the most exciting trades where gold is melting down. It's just the little moves actually. It's actually the little moves that gives you your big wins. Uh, Especially if you are trading a pair like gold. That's why I decided to master gold because once you move small, at least you see things, you see tangible pips there. Get what I mean?
That's sorry, man. Sorry to cut you short, man. That was the problem I had during the week as well. I was in a trade and I was in a sale and I think it was a pullback and I saw about $150 profit. I should have just gotten out of the trade, like considering the fact that it was a pullback and I think I was a little bit greedy and then I moved to take profits forward a little bit and then it actually hit the initial one. So I think it was my greed
Mm.
that
Yeah, so
actually. So I need to, instead of going for the longer ones, I need to just make them short and just take them, like you said, like bit by bit.
yeah,
Because the short move I had was actually a good profit for me to have gotten out to rest.
yes, yes. If you think about it, those home runs will come. When they come, we want to enjoy them as they come, you know. There are times where you've even taken the short-term trades and that trade eventually went on to melt to 1000 pips and you got out at 150 pips. Those ones, they come, but you're here for the consistent win. You're here for consistency, not just one time. So trust me, it will be coming small, small, but you will get there. It's about your account, it's about structure, it's about compounding. And not even necessarily looking at the amount you are making, but where you are in structure. Like if it has hit your take profit level, you leave, or you can put your account in profit, uh put it in profit and then just make sure it's risk free or put it at entry level. That way you've determined that okay, I may or may not make any money from this trade, but at least you're not losing.
Okay. Okay.
So me, most times I just take out my money because I'll look at it another way. Because trading is stressful. For you to even click enter, buy or sell, you've already analyzed like it's I feel like it's just the internet or accessibility that make traders feel like they can trade anyhow, like they're playing a game. It takes a whole lot to decide whether to buy or sell. If you are working in the stock exchange market, New York Stock Exchange, you watch those movies now, you see how crazy they are on the trading floor. They are doing
Yes,
that
ma'am.
to take one position for that day. They are taking that position for that day. They are knowing when to buy and when to get out of the trade just for that day. So I feel like if we traders can just be systematic and plan the trade very well, wait for that setup, that's why the night before you analyze, you wait for it, you set your alerts, you see everything. And once it has gotten there, you take your trade and close for the day and find another hobby aside from trading because when you overtrade, you begin to see different things that are not there.
Sorry
So
again, ma. Setting the alarm is something I've been trying to do. Sometimes when I set it, it doesn't come on. I've been trying to figure it out and I can't. Maybe Later when we are done, you can just put me through, please.
Is it do you have trading view on your phone?
I have to view on my phone and on my laptop.
So it's the same account on your phone and your laptop.
Yes, it's the same account.
Okay. So it's just let me see here. Let's say I want to set alert around here. I'll click on this one. So you can do only once, where to beep only once, or do one per minute, where to keep beeping till you go and turn it off. Um, I don't know if you can set. Okay, you can you set your notification? Maybe you didn't do this notify on app. Maybe you should put notify on app, play sound, choose your sound, check for this notifications area if you have the settings right there.
Okay, man.
So you can let me know how that goes. So currently we gold. Let me check it from the top. It seems bullish. We are going to have a pullback, but we still are bullish with gold. You know, it's an uptrend. We are very close to 3,000, and there is nothing that is stopping gold from hitting 3,000 this month. We are just 6 days away. So if we are watching, gold is bullish. So the cells are not so long like that because it's a buying market. So I want to see this. Let me see if I can. It's possible it gets here. I will put this right here. Just so it reminds me that there's a take profit level there. We are touching all-time highs now. There is no structure to work with except you start creating with your fibs. So yeah, gold is bullish, 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 bullish candlesticks. Um, yeah. On Monday we probably have this. So mm, these are three like spinning top candlesticks. We could have a bullish candlestick this open. So with where gold is, I'm just going to follow it as it's going, really. It is looking bullish. So this but you see all this exhaustion right here. So I'm leaning towards like a buy on gold. When price opens. For that confirmation, we'll need some form of break and retest. Although I have this right here because when it was moving last week, I set I set the parameters for it to if it would come right here to respect this area because this looks like this is a supply zone. So that is an area where supply turned demand. You can see drop base drop and rally base rally right there.
Mhm.
So price is giving exhaustion in that area. So although we have what looks like heads and shoulders, and we have signs of divergence on 1 hour, but if we keep this level and don't break this level, or actually even break and retest that resistance area, we can actually take gold up, given the candlesticks we saw on daily also. So this can actually be a a point A to point B. Yeah, if it gives, let me put this here, because that's the first pullback. So yeah, we'll just take gold step by step, really. It's doing its thing, but I'm leaning towards bullish because of all that exhaustion, that is happening. GU too. GU was one of the good trades of the week. Although it didn't get to my take profit level, but my instinct said I should close it at 1.266. So that's what I did. Uh, but I'm still looking at it to get to 1.268, so 1.27 actually. Let's get to that first take profit level, because this was where I entered. So I can find another entry if price respects the bullish area, because with you can't really, you have to also take it step by step. It has been bullish for a while, so we are definitely coming down, but it's still bullish, still bullish. So one trade I missed was GJ, but I won't say I missed it because it was Friday morning that it was ready. It was ready for grabs. Um, but it played out. So I said I was gonna mark up GJ on the call. The way my computer is slow, I probably think I don't know what's wrong, but we'll figure it out. So I want to mark up GJ here so that I'll get in tune with GJ, because I'm looking at it's bearish. It's a supply zone. Monthly supply, monthly. Let's go to this support right here. Monthly support. This is also a monthly. Let's push this higher. So nothing to, let me see. Yeah, I'm still looking at this to be bullish, to be bearish rather. Okay, so daily structure can be, this is a big consolidation. This we can take this as a break of structure. So that already hits the first take profit level. So we'll be seeing if it will be going to the second. Or if we adjust, let's see 4 hour. Yeah. So I'm looking at GGJ to sell. Looking at GJ to sell. Major trend line. Lower low, lower high. Yeah, let's take it like this. Yes, this is what I saw that Friday around here. But I think I just got caught up with something because I was waiting for price to retest that trend line to see. So let's see if it will do the same and come back and give us something to work with. But yeah, it's giving a very bullish, a very structure rather for us to work with. Although it has sold already, so we are looking at a pullback. Same thing with UJ. UJ was really nice. I think I was going to send this, but again I was caught off guard. Uh, yeah, this reached the take profit level that I was looking at. So we'll see if she'll continue or keep going down. I'm not sure what GA is currently doing. I think I had a buy for GA, but the consolidation is a lot. So is either she makes a move around here up to here or come or reverse or continue to go up like I've been watching now for to come to this level here. But it's a consolidation. But mind you, if I was in this trade, which I got out around this monthly level, or like which was a buy, this would have been a stop loss area. So it's consolidating, it's not even yet. It didn't hit the SL. So in a way, the trade is still on. But I just want to be sure. Let's see if it breaks more structures inside this consolidation that it's given. So yeah, I also want to be looking at NAS, um, what it did during the week and the kind of structures that it's forming. So I think we had news during this week. But yeah, I'll check. So currently, NAS is very, very bearish, still bearish, still bearish. The price came into resistance. We expected it created lower lows, lower highs came back here. We had a CSV and then it's pushed down. That's a lot of money. Okay. Over 4,000 points. Over 400 points rather. All right, so yeah, that's it. I guess that's all the questions we have. I'll be watching out for gold. We had more consolidations this week than any. So I'll be watching out for gold. And if it doesn't give us bullish, we'll see whatever it does. I'm structuring my trading to go with the market and not just what I had anticipated before. So that's it. Let's have a profitable trading week and be
Yeah, man.
patient with our trades, be focused and disciplined with it, and just let it ride and stick with one lot size. Don't try to just make a fast move or something like that. Okay.
Excellent. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Good night.